Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about your Bridge Plan Com contest 2021. Yes guys, in this video I'll explain each and everything regarding this contest, and if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, or we can say it is an online e-commerce portal which is working in various fields, guys, including debt reduction, self-directed RIA, life insurance, growth annuity, real estate education, leverage planning for business owners, etc. And apart from that, the web managers are running a contest, and around 10 winners from the community will get a chance to have a reward of your amazing coat hoodies. This contest is also known as hoodie contest. So let's check out the website's details. And before that, let's check out the payment information. But guys, they have not provided any payment information, which is a negative sign. And talking about other information, let's check out the menu option button here. So here you will find 4 to 5 options including work with me, blog, gear, money contest, etc. You can visit the entire options to know more about this website. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using or secure valid HTTPS connection, and this is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. And here you will also find the link of Stephen's YouTube channel. And talking about the domain information of this site, the domain name was created on 6th of May 2015. This means that this particular site is 5 years, 8 months and 5 days old. And guys, this factor defines the website's legitimacy. Now talking about us details, you can read out the entire detail. They have provided the business owner name information and brand connection info as well, which is a good sign. And apart from that, I would like to inform you that this particular website is managed by Stephen Gardner. You can read the entire information for your knowledge and convenience. Now talking about contact details, guys, I'm not able to view any contact detail on this website or online portal, which is a negative sign. Apart from that, according to our study and research, we have found that this particular online portal has social media presence on Facebook. Yes guys, we have found Facebook page of yourbridgeplan.com contest 2021, and they have mentioned that your bridge plan contest, so you can follow them and you can know more about this contest by reading the entire information. Now, they do not have any return or refund policy, guys. Do comment about your experience. And talking about your Bridge Plan Com contest 2021, we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet, guys. And some customers wrote a praising comments for the web owners and his videos. However, some customers gave remarkable comments about this contest. And according to our study, we have found that the owner has a YouTube channel. You can find the link of the YouTube channel by visiting this link, and we have found that the web managers are providing YouTube videos and blog facilities so that their clients can conveniently learn about their services. And apart from that, guys, we have unveiled that the website's owner has a YouTube channel. I've already discussed about this, and numerous viewers have liked, subscribed and commented on its videos, which is a good thing. And this channel has around 8.71 lakh subscribers who like his work, who appreciated his work, but there are people between 48,000 to 54,000 who have disliked his videos. So this was the unbiased information, guys. And talking about the site popularity, yes guys, the site is popular online. Many people are reviewing their services and appraising their services as well. So guys, this website is managed by Stephen Garner, who is offering multiple opportunities regarding work with him and running contest. So you can also share your experience if you have any. And yes, in the final conclusion, I would say this is a legit web portal. You can give it a chance. Now, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.